Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So, today's interview question is: what is an init container and how is it different from a normal container? So, I will show you one example demo init container, so that the concept is clear to you. And also stay till the end because at the end we have some interesting quizzes on this concept. Okay. So, let's have a look at what is init container. So, init container in Kubernetes is it's a specialized container which runs before the main application starts. So what is the purpose of this init container? Purpose is to initialize configuration, waiting for dependencies, setting up secrets or fetching data. So init container runs once and exits before the main container starts. It ensures that prerequisites are made before the app runs, and it has its own separate image and life cycles. So let's have a look at the init container. I have a YAML file for the pod. API version is v1 kind pod. So here I have one container and one init container. So container is main app, image is nginx, and here we have this init container defined. Container init container name is setup, image busybox, and command I'm writing like executing. I will print echo initializing, then sleep for 30 seconds, then setup complete. So here instead of sleep 30 seconds, in actual cases, I'll be doing the configuration or waiting for some connection or whatever initialization work I have to do, I will perform those activities here. But here it's just a demo version, so I'm not doing anything here other than waiting for 30 seconds. Okay. So here we have containers and init container. So now this YAML file will deploy this, will deploy the pod. So kubectl apply minus a init container demo YAML. So it created the pod. Now I can see the status, check the pod status. And here you can see that for 30 seconds it will be initialization state. After that, it will show running state. Okay. So once initialization is done. So now let's have a look at which container is running. We're able to see the pod. So now the command I executed, kubectl describe pod. kubectl describe pod, and it's showing that pulling images busy box, created container setup, started container setup. So it is running init container setup. Okay. Again, let's run this kubectl describe. So now you can see successfully pulled image, 30 seconds over. So now it successfully pulled image nginx and created container main app, started container main app. Okay. And now if I run kubectl get pod init container demo, I'll be seeing that it's running. So it executed the first container, which is a like init container. The name is setup. I have given name setup. It does some initialization. Here it's a dummy. It didn't do any initialization. It just slept for 30 seconds. After that, once that container exited, terminated, main container started. And now it's showing running status. Okay. Now I can delete that container. I can also check the log and see whether it's printed the log messages. kubectl logs, then container name, then a pod minus C container name. kubectl logs, pod name minus C container name. So this container printed initialize setup complete. Here you can see this container. This is a specialized container, init container. It printed initialize, sleep, setup complete. So initialize and setup complete, it printed in the log. So here we can see that init container executed. After that, main container, main application is running. Okay. So now let's have a look at the today's question. So I post questions daily on my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenge Hub, and you can also follow my WhatsApp channel. There I post LinkedIn quiz and also the YouTube videos, and you can participate in the LinkedIn quiz. So today this question is, which of the following is a common use case for an init container? Serving web traffic to users, running database queries after application starts, preparing configuration files before the main container starts. Yes. So answer is C. Init the functionality main use case of init container is to prepare configuration files before the main container starts. Next question is, what happens if an init container fails? Pod continues running the main container. Kubernetes retries the init container until it succeeds or the pod fails. Pod is deleted immediately. Init container is ignored and the main container starts. So if init container fails, Kubernetes retries the init container until it succeeds or the pod fails. The answer is B. Next question is the last question. How is an init container different from a normal application container? It runs continuously along with the main container. It has a different runtime than main container. It always restarts after completion. It runs fast and exits before the main container starts. So answer is D. It runs fast and exits before the main container starts. So hope you like this video. Please share it, like it, and follow my LinkedIn page, follow WhatsApp channel, and participate in the quiz, participate in the contest. And thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.